Morning, guys, and welcome back to the Ohio Farm Life channel. Real quick, if you like what you see, don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to the channel. I'll give you a quick rundown on what we've been doing. I've had a video, which it'll be called the burning brush video. It's been uploading for 4 days now. I don't know why it's taken so long. So I haven't really filmed anything, but I'll give you an update on where we're at. We got the laying hens. I don't have nesting boxes built yet, anyways, but had a handful of eggs yesterday, and looks like I got one in there now. They just starting to lay, so I ain't doing too bad yet. I figured there'd be a couple more in there overnight, but guess not. I'm loving how nicely this field of wheat's greening up. I'm starting to look here at the home farm. It's about 34 acres here that hoping it makes a lot of straw this year, because the past couple years haven't been very good on straw. But just running back here to the creek, and I've been doing some work on the banks here. Took a backhoe and dug myself a ramp to back down in here towards the creek. And basically what we're doing is, over there is our big pond at the home farm, and that's where, when my dad and all his cousins was growing up, everybody used to come over on the weekends and go swimming, and there was a dock and stuff in there. That's all gone, but I'd like to work at getting that cleaned up so we could start doing stuff like that again. But that bank there, the water's been coming around, and we got concrete and stuff there, and it was just starting to eat that bank out, and I can barely get across that with the Kubota. So we got this little sandbar that the creek curves back there that I backed down here and was digging it out. But right now I'm out of reach. I'm not sure. I can't really dig a ramp down anywhere. I don't think the creek bottom's firmed up enough yet to get down there. But then I started throwing my mud over there because I want to rip out some of those little trees and just start dumping. I got some dirt piles back there, dumping them over it, and then I'll be able to drive out on there with the backhoe and reach across and dip it out. And then got some big rocks I want to stack along there. So we can walk over to the other side and I'll show you how narrow it is, if I can find my way over. Yeah, I mean, it's getting super narrow here at one point, but we should be able to get it taken care of. We've been wanting to do this for a couple years, and I'm just deciding now's the time to do it. But it's not so bad right here, but then it gets a little narrower right here, so I need to get over there and take that whole little sandbar out. And we got some rocks in the woods I'll show you that I want to haul around here with the skid loader and dump off, because if you don't know, you put rocks on it, it'll help keep the water from eating the dirt away. That's my little project I started with the backhoe and quit last night just before dark on it. Oh hell, here we even got some rocks that would work for it too. So that's gonna be the hardest part with the backhoe, not having a thumb, is getting kind of stacking them rocks in there where they work good. And just because I haven't mentioned it this video, I still want a trackhoe. I'd love to be able to get one here within 5 years or so. It won't be anytime real soon, but sooner than later, because the trackhoe would just make all this so much easier. The biggest downfall about a trackhoe is we don't have a semi to move it from farm to farm. So that's our biggest holdup on buying one, really. I don't know if you can see all of them right in there on the hillside, but there's those bigger rocks that I'm wanting to haul around there with the skid loader to use on that bank. Well, the game plan I'm coming up with for today is I think I'm gonna leave the lights in the shop work for the night and go work on that bank some while it's nice out, because I think it's supposed to start raining tonight and maybe storms, I don't know. Guess I haven't looked too hard, but I think we're gonna have to start mowing grass before long, which doesn't affect me because DJ beats me to the mower every time, so he likes mowing yards, so it works out good for me. Now I'm gonna go get the skid loader fired up and see if I can start moving some of them rocks. Well, I just got the text saying my mom was making a late breakfast. The bank used to be over to here. I've brought this out a lot more. We're still narrow right there where I couldn't reach with the backhoes. I put rocks in there to help with the dirt. And I'll build this all up through here, and then later when we get the backhoe over here I can reach out there and open that up then. And then I'm gonna take the 656 to eat, and then I'll bring back our rock picker so I can get DJ hauling rocks to me to dump down there. But hopefully we can get this done before it rains tonight. And I hope we don't get a bunch, but we'll see if we'll put it to the test, see if it holds. At least I got a narrow spot to get across right now. Gotta walk to the shop, and I'm noticing walking across the wheat you can see areas where it's getting a little lighter, and that's because it needs nitrogen. I'm hoping a couple more days we could have got across it, but it's still a little soft right now. Come back from eating, forgot to grab my camera. So we got a little bit done, but there's some of the rocks we pulled out of the woods, and we're good enough that we can get the backhoe out on here now. DJ's widening things up. That extended boom's nice. DJ's ripping a little bit of that brush off of that bank because he's gonna, so he can put a little dirt there, and he'll start, then I'll run in here with the skid loader and dump all the rock down here, and then he'll drag them back into place. This is one of those jobs that's needed done for several years, and we're just doing it now while we've got time. That thing squeaks a lot when you use the telescoping feature, but I can't find a place to grease it. Doesn't look like he's got enough reach. got all the rocks dumped in. DJ's gonna back out here at the backhoe again. He's gonna kind of tuck them all up there along the edge of the dirt and clean them up. we got this project done. We'll see how it holds up next time we get a heavy rain. We might have to add more rock to it, but this should be pretty sturdy. Now, and we might have to give some attention up there to come, but it looks pretty good. We did all right for our limited resources on equipment. DJ's out there in the field filling in a tile blowout. And here we grow some specialty crops here. We got our corn dog patch. They're about ready to harvest. Gotta harvest them before we can let the new ones come on. And while we're over here, we got a crossing. We cross this creek with our four-wheelers. All the water runs off that field and comes down right across it and ate it out real bad. I don't think I got a video of it beforehand, but DJ fixed it, so we're gonna see if they can get up it now. Got my cousin on his 850 Polaris. Looks loose. Here comes this turd. Hit it harder. Turn your four-wheel drive on. He doesn't have four-wheel drive. Run this back to the barns. Are you done with that? You can take it back to the barn. I'm heading back to the barn now. Got home. It's a little after 11 now in the farm. That should do it for this video. Working on the pond bank, so if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.